Welcome to Tubify, your ultimate destination for tech reviews and comparisons. Today, we're tackling the burning question. Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 ready to dethrone the rugged Apple Watch Ultra? These two giants bring cutting-edge features to the table, but which one truly stands out? Stick around till the end to discover the smartwatch that suits your lifestyle best. You won't want to miss this showdown. Design and durability. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 showcases Samsung's trademark minimalist design with a circular AMOLED display that's both vibrant and responsive. It's lightweight, elegant, and versatile, making it a great option for both casual and formal occasions. The Apple Watch Ultra, on the other hand, breaks away from Apple's usual sleek aesthetic with its robust and rugged build. Featuring a titanium case, sapphire crystal display, and larger dimensions, it's designed to withstand extreme conditions. While the Galaxy Watch 8 is built for style and everyday use, the Ultra is tailored for durability, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports. Display and visual experience. When it comes to display quality, both smartwatches are top-notch. The Galaxy Watch 8 offers a stunning Super AMOLED screen with deep blacks and rich colors, ensuring a visually immersive experience. It's perfect for viewing notifications, tracking workouts, or customizing watch faces. Meanwhile, the Apple Watch Ultra features a Retina display that's larger and brighter than standard Apple Watch models, offering exceptional readability even in direct sunlight. For users seeking a smartwatch with an emphasis on vibrant displays, the Galaxy Watch 8 edges out, but the Ultra excels in visibility under harsh outdoor conditions. Fitness and health features. Both smartwatches pack an impressive suite of health and fitness features. The Galaxy Watch 8 boasts Samsung's bioactive sensor, which combines heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and body composition analysis. It's a comprehensive tool for general fitness enthusiasts. The Apple Watch Ultra goes a step further with advanced features like a depth gauge for divers, dual-frequency GPS for precise outdoor navigation, and a unique temperature sensor. For athletes, hikers, and divers, the Ultra's specialized tools make it an exceptional choice, while the Galaxy Watch 8 provides a more accessible all-around fitness experience. Battery life and charging. Battery performance is a crucial consideration, and the two watches cater to different needs. The Galaxy Watch 8 delivers around 2 days of battery life with regular use and supports fast charging, making it convenient for daily use. The Apple Watch Ultra, despite its advanced features, offers a respectable 36-hour battery life, which can be extended with optimized settings. While both smartwatches perform well, the Ultra is slightly better for longer adventures, whereas the Galaxy Watch 8 is ideal for users who prioritize quick, frequent charging. Ecosystem and compatibility. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is deeply integrated with the Android ecosystem, offering seamless compatibility with Samsung devices and Google Wear OS. It's an excellent choice for Android users, with features like Samsung Pay, Bixby, and a wide range of third-party apps. The Apple Watch Ultra, meanwhile, is exclusively compatible with iPhones and leverages Apple's ecosystem to its fullest. It offers advanced functionality with apps like Apple Maps, Apple Pay, and the seamless pairing experience that Apple is known for. Your choice will largely depend on whether you're an Android or iOS user. Conclusion. The decision between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and the Apple Watch Ultra ultimately depends on your lifestyle and priorities. If you're an Android user looking for a sleek, versatile smartwatch with cutting-edge health and fitness features, the Galaxy Watch 8 is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you're an adventurer or iPhone user seeking a rugged, high-performance smartwatch designed for extreme activities, the Apple Watch Ultra stands out as the superior option. Which smartwatch aligns better with your needs? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Tubify, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech reviews and comparisons.